Alright, so I'll be showing you how to take a Panenka penalty in FC 24. Now I have a penalty situation here and I'll use this to show you. So what you need to do is hold your chip shot button and then press the shot button to take the penalty. So usually the chip shot button is R1. I've removed mine, so I'll press it, and then when the circle is green, I'll take my shot, and that's going to take a Panenka penalty, just like that. That's perfection. And that's basically how to take a Panenka penalty in FC 24. Just hold your chip shot button and then just tap on your shoot button once. Just don't long press because that will go over. Just tap on it while holding your chip shot button. That's going to take a nice, good Panenka penalty. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.